make a clock and teach you about how to read the time on the clock. You need a plastic plate to make a clock, and a pen, and scissors, and these kind of needle things. If you don't know how to make it, just take a thick paper and then just cut it like this. And you need a scale. If you don't want to use a scale, you make it very straight. You don't have to use the scale. And we have a little straight cardboard right here. Okay, now you get your scale and then you put one line, follow it, keep it still, and you do another line right there. Now we're going to do the same thing for this, and you wait a second, there, one line here, don't move it still, and then another. I'm going to put these dots in between the things here, like that. This little dot is going to be 1, this is 2, 3. I'm going to draw until 12, 4, and then now I'm done until 12. Now we're going to do the minutes. We're going to put some numbers right here. 5, 10, 15, so on. You have to put a dot in here and put a hole. Do it. Now we're going to put this little cardboard inside this little hole we made with scissors. Trace hours in black, trace minutes in green. Now I'm done. Now I'm going to put the needles inside. First you put the small one. Next you put the big. And guess what time it is? It is 6 o'clock because this needle is pointing to this number and the small needle is pointing to 6. So it means you just say 6 o'clock. You think you can guess this one? You can easily do it because we already said it right there. It's the 5 o'clock. Oh, it's 4 o'clock. Now I'm going to show you a different number. Right now, it's 1 o'clock. Then my brother's one. See, let's move. Okay. I'm going to see there. Right now, it's 10 o'clock. It is for minutes. It moves the point to point. It's 5 minutes. 5, 10, 15. Now the time is 7:15. Now let me show you another number. Now it's 55. I'm going to go to 1. Now the time is 6:05. Now let's see if the big one goes right to here. Oh. 9:20. If you like my video, give us a big thumbs up and bye.